Premier yesterday mentioned that China is open for business. China welcomes international companies to continue to invest, as the China would still have a very big consumption market. Its manufacturing supply chain is very complete. And I recently learned that your company continues big investment in China. There's a factory in Shanghai.
Yes. We just, 1.5 years ago, we were very proud that we opened up a large center in robotics. It's not only manufacturing, it is R&D, it is service, and it's really a great place to work with, because I also believe that employees need to have a good environment to work in, and it was a big investment for us in China.
How big?
And more than 100 million. So we invested in China, and
Dollars.
we are
100 million.
Yes, dollars, and we are absolutely committed that the Chinese economy is important for us.
2023 had been basically quite a rough year, and 2024 many expect to be another rough year because many uncertainties. I wouldn't go to details of that, but as a very top executive of such a multinational company, what are you considering in the board of directors meeting? What are you considering? Are you going to invest but with caution, or are you going to step back a little bit with reserving more cash to embrace volatilities in the future?
In general, we believe that investments, especially in automation or in our own facility, are long-term investments. So we don't believe that you can make this decision on a quarterly basis. We look at markets, we believe in the market, so we invest. China is a market we believe in. That's why we're going to continue to invest, because the moment you decide you want to open up a factory, until you have it, it's 2 years. So, and then you are in a difficult situation, you don't invest, so in 2 years, when the market is there, you are not ready. So you have to think long term in terms of these investments. Obviously, the other costs you have to manage, because if your market is down, you need to adjust your more variable costs. But these large term investments, I think, wise companies should always think long term and make these decisions, for how trends are developing. And in our case, automation and robotization, there is no way that countries can survive without automation.
So more resilient than many other industries.
Think of labor shortage. It's all over the world. It's a thing, and automation, robotization will continue to grow. Obviously, we will have ups and downs, but on the long run, we believe in 8 to 10% growth in this market.
8 to 10% growth annually.
Yes.
For how many years?
For the next 3 years. Yeah, for the next 3 or 4 years. But this is long-term trajectory, and we believe in that growth.
I should say you're very lucky and very wise to stay in this very strategic and resilient industry.
Yes.